In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add initiatives in Jira. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your project management skills, we'll walk through the steps together to make this process as smooth as possible. Let's begin by heading over to Jira. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to your desired project or space. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen, where you should see a menu. Find and click on either Spaces or Projects, depending on how your Jira environment is set up. This step will lead you to the specific area where you'll be making your changes. Now that you're in the right section, select the project by clicking on it. This should be fairly straightforward, and it will take you to the project view. You will see your project details laid out before you, with various options to help you manage it effectively. Next, let's focus on accessing the settings. Look for three dots situated next to your project's name. These dots usually represent more options, and clicking them will reveal a drop-down menu. Click on it to unveil additional settings related to your project or space. From this menu, select Space Settings. This will open up a new series of options tailored to managing the specific space or project. Within the space settings, find and click on Work Types. This feature allows you to determine the different types of work entries you may want to create. Here you'll see options to add new initiatives, which is exactly what we're aiming to do today. When you're ready, look for the option that says Add Work Type and click it. This will initiate the creation of a new work type entry where initiatives are added. You'll then see a button labeled Create Work Type. Click it to proceed with adding your new initiative. To personalize your new initiative, you need to provide a name. In the field that appears, type in the name that best describes your initiative. It's important to choose a descriptive name that accurately represents the initiative's purpose within the project. After naming, move on to the description field. Here, you'll supply additional details that explain what the initiative is about and how it aligns with your project's objectives. A well-thought-out description can be incredibly helpful for future reference. Once your initiative is well described, you can further customize its appearance by clicking Change Icon. In this panel, you have the option to either drag and drop your own image or choose from the selection of icons provided by Jira. If you're uploading your own, make sure the image is clear and appropriately reflects the initiative. After selecting your icon, click Select to finalize your choice. With all the customization complete, you're ready to save your work. Simply hit Create to add the initiative to your Jira workspace. And that's it. You've successfully added an initiative to your project in Jira.